I've got a £10 off, £40 voucher. That's 25% people at Lidl. So let's see what we can get. These vouchers were printed in quite a few of the national newspapers. The newspaper cost me 65p, but I found a penny at the same time, so 64p. So with that voucher that I've got for £10 off, I went to Lidl and I actually spent, with the voucher, they knocked me £10 and a penny off. So I spent £31.50 and I got all this. Before I went, I actually went through my cupboards to see what I needed. If I'd used the last one, I like to have one that I'm using and two spare. So I wrote a list before I went, and this is what I got. I got the cocoa powder, that was £1.19. The coffee was £1.39. This freeze-dried coffee was £1.19. And when I looked at the date on it, it's actually October 2024. And I did think to myself, I wonder how much coffee is going to be in 2024. On to the tomato sauce, 45p. The mayonnaise, 41p. The pate, that was 45p. The Stilton cheese, even though I do sometimes get cheese reduced, I find at Christmas time there's not usually a lot, so I got the Stilton cheese, that was £1.69. The little cholesterol drinks, they were £1.45. The crisps were 99p. The 50% less fat mature cheese, that was £1.79. The toilet paper for £9. I got two of those because I've just opened the last one. That was £2.05. The bananas were 3 and I got those were 43p. They're about 73p a kilo, I think. The tissues were 75p. And the rump steak, I actually haven't had rump steak for years, and the date on it is the 26th. So I actually thought I'll have that for my Christmas dinner. And the rump steak was £2.39. The roasted peanuts was 46p. The cream crackers, 39p. 2 packets of these Oaty biscuits. I like these with a piece of cheese with my cup of tea. 36p. Ginger nuts, 25p. I did buy a couple of Christmassy type things. I love these spice biscuits. They were £1.59. The granola, which was £1.39 a few weeks ago, is now up to £1.45. So I bought 2 of those. The sparkling water was 17p. I've actually opened that and had some out. 17p, and they haven't had sparkling water for a while. That's the 17p one. They've had still, but not the sparkling. So I got one of those. The milk is £1.15 now. So I got 4 pints of that. The magnesium, £2.49. The sweet potatoes are 69p. Did I say how much the panettone was? I do like panettone. That's 39p for a little one. The soap was 59p. The shampoo, I actually picked 2 of the smaller ones up and worked out. This is 900ml. I worked out that you get more for your money with the bigger one. So I got one of those. That was £1.95p. And I got some bleach at 39p. So I got all that for, what did I say, £31.50. So if you see these vouchers, do go through your cupboards and take advantage of them. And you know, even if you sort of live on your own or you've not got much money and you can only afford, say, £20, why not find a friend and both write a list and see what you need and spend £20 each, and then you can share the cost and share the savings. So I think there'll be a few more vouchers in weeks to come. This one, it's the 11th when I'm making this video. It will go up on Friday, but this voucher that I've got is for until the 15th, and I did buy another paper, so I've got another voucher. I might actually use that, or I might give it to a friend of mine because I know she can make use of that. So there we are, people. So plan ahead, write a list before you go and see what you need. And I tell you what I did do before I actually went. I sat in the car first, read through my list. I went round the store before I went in, just to make sure, before I started buying anything, just to make sure that they had the things I needed. Because with the shelves the way they are, there were two or three things that were on the list that they actually didn't have, but I still made up £40. So there we are. Take care, people.